Okay, so we are looking at exam-based questions, quadratic equations part 1. So we have question 1, that is x power 2 minus 2x. This is x. So x power 2 minus 2x equals 0, taken from 2021, question 1, paper 1. Then we have this one, number 2, open the bracket, 2x minus 5, close the bracket, open the bracket, x plus 3 equals 0. This one is taken from 2021 internal question 3, paper 1. We look at question 3. So question 3, x power 2 equals 3x. It's taken from the exam 2016 question 22a. Then question 4, solve the equation, open the bracket, x minus 1, close the bracket, 2x plus 5 equals 0, taken from 2019 question 2, paper 1. So we start with question 1. So this is question 1. So x power 2 minus 2x equals 0. So what to do is to identify what is common. So we can see that x is common. So we say x, then open the bracket. This x into this. So x into that one, what will remain is x. Since x times x is x squared. Then minus this x into 2x. We just cancel that x, remain with 2, then equals 0. From here, we use the 0 property. We say x is equated to 0. This x equals 0. Or x minus 2 equals 0. This x minus 2 equals 0. Now, these they are unlike terms. We cannot add or subtract. So we say x equals, this negative 2 goes to the other side, becomes 0 plus 2. Our x is equals to 2. So there are two options, x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 2. That is the solution for question 1. We solve for question 2. So question 2, we are going to copy question 2, open the bracket, 2x minus 5. We open another bracket, x plus 3, then equals 0. Okay, so this is the question 2. So that's the question. Okay, after copying the question, now for this one there is nothing like factorizing to find what is common. You just have to equate them to what? To 0. So we are going just to say 2x minus 5 equated to 0, or x plus 3 equals to 0. Let us solve this one first. Now this, they are what? They are unlike terms. We cannot add or subtract them. So we say 2x, this negative 5 goes to the other side. It becomes 0 plus 5. Then 2x equals 0 plus 5 is 5. Are we done? No, because we want to find the value of x. So we say over 2. Over 2. We cancel. Then our x is equals 2 into 5. 2 goes there how many times? 2 times, remainder 1 over 2. So that's the answer. So 2 into 5, it goes 2 times, remainder 1 over 2. Then we solve the other part. So this, our x is equals, this 3 will just go the other side. It becomes negative 3. Okay, you can solve it direct, or you can say x equals to 0 minus 3. When this crosses the equal sign, it becomes minus 3. Then x equals 0 minus 3 is negative 3. So we have to solve question 3. So question 3, We solve question 3. We are on question 3 now. Question 3. So question 3, this is question 3. So x power 2 equals 3x. We want to find the value of x. So first of all, this 3 should go to the other side, so that what will remain here is what? 0. So we say x power 2, then when this positive 3x goes to the other side, becomes minus 3x equals 0. What will remain there is nothing, so nothing will present 0. From this point now, or stage, we identify what is common. So what is common? We can see there is x here, and here, this side there is x. So therefore x is common. Now this x into x squared, we cancel, we have x, minus this x into 3x, we cancel, we have 3. Then we say equals to 0. From here, we will say x, this x is equated to 0. So x equals to 0, or x, this x minus 3 equals 0. So minus 3 equals 0. Then we solve. Our x will be equals to 3, goes to the other side, just becomes positive 3. So this is the solution for question 3. Now we solve question 4. So question 4, we're going to solve it from here. So question 4, first of all, we copy the question the way it is. So we have x minus 1, then we have 2x plus 5, then is equated to 0. So that's question 4. This is question 4. I've just copied the question, and this is the question. Now we have to find the value of x. So this x minus 1 is equated to 0. So x minus 1 equated to 0, or this 2x plus 5, we equate it to 0. So 2x plus 5 equate to 0. Then our x, we solve. This is negative, crosses the equal sign, becomes 1. So there I see 1. Or this, or these are unlike terms. So this 5 will go to the other side. So we have 2x equals, when positive 5 crosses the equal sign, becomes minus 5. Are we done? No, because we want to get rid of this 2 there. So we say over 2 over 2. We cancel. Our x equals, how many times can 2 go into 5? That's 2 times. Now you can observe there is a negative there, so we put a negative. Remember what? 1 over 2. Okay, so 2 into 5, it is 2 times, remainder 1 over 2. Since it has a negative, we also put a negative. So these were the solutions for exam-based questions. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching.